In a quiet Michigan courtroom, lives, leases, and second chances hang in the balance. One missed payment, one forgotten notice, and everything can change. Today, we witness justice unfold, where every decision tells a story.
This action was filed. He is not present. We would request that a possession judgment enter terminating the tenancy as to this particular garage.
Judgment to the plaintiff, that is by default for possession. No redemption amount, writ to issue in 10 days.
There's no redemption. Yeah, Your Honor, there's no redemption amount as a determination action.
Yeah, no, I said that.
Okay.
No redemption.
The courtroom falls silent as another eviction case begins at 509 North River Street.
Daniel Landman for the plaintiff.
I don't have 1 minute. They are not present. You may proceed, sir.
Your Honor, they're not present because they satisfied their rent arrearage this morning. Plaintiff moves to dismiss without prejudice, and we will be submitting a dismissal.
All right, fantastic. That's why they're not here. Good explanation. All right, Westridge Mobile Home Park versus Wells and Westridge Mobile Home Park versus Beverly. Those matters are dismissed on plaintiff's motion without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a great weekend.
You do the same, sir. And back to Riverside Apartments versus John Wilkerson and Joshua. Mr. Wilkerson is present. Mr. Fink?
Thank you, Your Honor. So it is a termination case, but it's a health hazard termination case. And technically, this is the first hearing. Mr. Wilkerson, of course, was scheduled for last week. This is an issue of the...
Mr. Jackson failed to surrender the garage unit. A default judgment is about to be entered.
Tenants in the building, feces on the floor near the kitchen. I don't need to go over everything on
Got it.
on Zoom, Your Honor, but we would like the tenancy terminated. We also filed a 1-month lease violation notice to quit also on October 3rd. So next week, if we don't have a resolution, we'll file an amended complaint so that this is both a health hazard and a lease violation termination.
Got it. All right, Mr. Wilkerson, what's your position on this, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm moving. I have a new place secured as of November 7th. I just request a couple weeks time to be able to move and clear out the unit.
Well, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to adjourn this out 1 week to November 7th, 2025 at...
Each word from the judge carries weight. Final, irreversible.
What I'm going to suggest to you is you contact Mr. Fink's office and try to arrange the time frame for you to vacate the premises, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Your Honor, 2 things.
Yes, sir.
Would the court please, for the ROA, note a default for Joshua Wilkerson, just in case we don't have him show up? And
yes, for Joshua defendant 2. Yes.
Could we give Mr. John Wilkerson advice regarding MCR 4.201J so that if he and I can enter into a COD for him to surrender possession, he won't have to come back?
Mr. Wilkerson, if there's a procedure by which there wouldn't be a judgment, but you would be consenting to move, as it seems to me that you are, there would be a condition.
But not every story ends in loss. Some tenants manage to make things right, even at the last moment.
To be worked out. And if it gets worked out, you would not have to then come back after you sign it or give permission to have it signed. You understand that, sir? All right.
Sir.
So if that can all be worked out, I'm going to advise you of certain rights. And that is that within 3 days of my signing of that, you have the right to think about it. And if you believe that there's some legal confusion or some legal issue, some confusion on your part, some mistake on your part, or something that some right you didn't assert, you'd have those 3 business days to file a motion with the court to ask that that be set aside. You understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can enter into the agreement, long and short of it, you can enter into the agreement, but you have time to think about it after you've done so, okay?
Understood, sir.
All right.
Mr. Wilkerson steps up, facing a health hazard termination, but promises he's already moving out.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. That's it? That's it for that block? Wonderful. We're done till noon. Nope, I'm not coming back again. I got lunch. Am I gonna get...
A rare moment of grace. The judge grants 1 week. Justice, with a touch of humanity.